Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to assign domain in Bluehost hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see domain. So click on it and then you see assign. So again click on it. Now you see assign domain. Step 1, enter domain. Now you see drop down. So select domain according to your requirement and then scroll down. You see step 2, verify ownership. So current status of this domain is unassigned. Now you see step 3, choose add-on versus path. So select add-on domain. Now scroll down. Step 4, choose add-on directory and subdomain. Now select create a new directory. So this is our folder. Then you see assign this domain. So click on it. Now domain assigned done. Scroll down. You see domain and type. Now you see all domain. Now go to next. Now this is our domain and in type section you see add-on. Now scroll down. Click on advanced to open cPanel. Now scroll down and go to software section. Now you see WordPress, so click on it. Then you see software setup and now you see choose installation URL. Drop down. Now you see domain here. So in this way you can assign domain in Bluehost hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.